Welcome to CryptoESIGN. Let's see how to set up document for signatures. To get started, create a new document by typing or upload the existing document. Now click on Add Signature and draw a signatory box. Or, double-click on the desired location on the document for the box to appear. If you are one of the signatories, click on Self, where the details will be auto-populated. Next, add other signatory details by adding signature box and filling in the details. To change the signature box location, drag the box. You can also edit the signature information or delete the signatory box. As the document will be going in a sequence, you can change the order of the signatories by dragging down the names. After adding signatory details, you can add email ID for reference in the CC option and also upload or paste URL of support documents if required. Click on Save and Send to send the document for signatures.